Hey guys, good morning, and we're here at Pilar. We're going to Balisong Beach with my beach anak. Kasi drawing yung isa naming isa naming
Bogsa.
ewan ko ano nangyari sa kanya, basta magkaka-girlfriend yung mga anak ko. Diyos ko, stress ako pag nagkaka-girlfriend sila, iniiwan ako. So,
Not all.
Single ka rin kayo, dito ka. Huwag kang
Road to Laon.
Road to Laon, Road to Laon daw. Okay, so for now, dyan na muna tayo. And kasi I'm driving naman Tarot. See you! Malapit na tayo sa Balisong. Hello. So, this beach is like my ex-char.
Bakit lang?
Oh my God, wait. I can't identify. I think ayan na. So, sundan natin yung motorcycle na yan. So, we're going there. Ayan. So, the view is so nice. And this is la Playa de Balisong. So low tack. It's so low tack, the road.
Why is low tack anyway?
I think it's a mud in English. There's a lot of coconut.
Uy, coconut.
Yeah, I told naman Bimbi to drink some coconut milk later.
Coconut?
Yeah, you should drink coconut so that when you like this, you pop more.
Coconut. BJ?
Yeah, when you BJ, you pop up like that.
BJ, what kind of
just
BJ?
show them the view. It's very nice here.
What kind of BJ?
Buko juice.
Okay.
Yeah, it's buko juice.
Ingat mga judger.
Ayan. So tingnan nyo yung, it's so small. Ayan, nasaan na tayo? Ayan na. Makikita mo na yung sand na it's so wide. But I think ang daming tao dito. Baka wala ng cottage. OMG. And we're going to OMG.
We're going to OMG.
We're going to sit on the sand. Oh my gosh.
Uy.
There's a lot of people naman. There's a lot of riders out there. Oh my, so pangit. So pangit nila. Ayan, maghahanap tayo ng cottage. OMG. Yung ano na lang sana, pag wala tayong cottage, my gosh. We're going to the sun. Ayan. We're here. Ayan, this beach is so nice. I really like it so much. Do we have a cottage right there? I think it's puno. pwede maki-join.
Social distancing.
Sa pag-aga. Naranasan ko na pinagawa. Sa Luzon. Ito meron dito. Depende naman naman siguro. Bakit so expensive naman ha? And we're here! And as you can see, this is Tropical Balisong. Nakalimutan ko yung name.
Diet?
Ayan, so we're going to sit there muna. Ayan.
Magkikihingi na lang rice.
Ano ba? You stop it na. And baby go. Just go na BM. Let's do.
Let's go.
Let's do some stretching. Let's go. 1,000. Wala nang available na yung card.
Wala na.
Ay.
Ubus na din.
Are we going to sit on the sun? Wala tayong table. Sige na lang ate. Hindi namin kasi. Dalawa lang naman kasi. Sayang naman yung 1,000. Okay lang umupo dito. Ah, dito may entrance. Pag dito, magkano?
40.
Dalawa kami 40 or
40.
i-
Per head.
per head. So dalawa kami 80. So okay na lang dito kami. So, iba naman dyan. Okay, so dito na tayo.
Di Kenneth, di ba do?
Okay, so we got. Later na lang po yung bayad. Yeah, thank you po ate. Ayan, so ito 40 pesos. Ay,
Worth it naman, di ba?
worth it naman. Wala na. So, ano ba tawag ko? Chair. Ayan, so maupo muna tayo para. So let's take a look at the beach. Oh my god, this is so nice. And it's what we call Talisay. It's so nice because it's so wide. And here, it's low tide at the right. It's low tide at the moment. Oh yeah, it's so nice. And I'm going to drink it more. Oh my gosh. Ayan. So, sa mga taong walang magawa, you should visit this Playa de Paraiso de Balisong. Tama ba yun? I don't really know the name of it. Basta, later, you can see naman doon sa my first part ng video what's the name of this beach. Oh my gosh. And then it's so peaceful. Like, you know, nothing's gonna hurt you. Unlike your ex. Diba? Yung mga ex natin sasaktan ng tayo. Ang ganda doon ng formation ng ng what we call that. Is that mangrove? I think it's mangrove. Yeah, I mix this it's Coke and it's double black. It's what's it called? Rum cola. I know, whiskey.
Do you love black?
Yeah, I love black, but not the color of a person. And again, this place is so nice. You can see the background here. Come here. Let's tour here. There's a lot of cottages naman dito. So you can rent naman the cottages dito. So I don't know the rate of the cottages, but you could rent there. I know that someone is managing this area. It's nice. Look, yeah. By the way, I'm wearing. Is this Sotokel or mesh? I think it's Sotokel.
Sotokyil.
Yeah, Sotokel. Yeah, you should visit our page, Sotokel Apparel, or the Hugot page. We are selling our t-shirts at a very affordable prices. But it's a long weekend. It's not a long weekend. So if you're happy.
Sotokyil.
Pero sasaktan. Ayan. Part na to. Carlos. Pilar. Can be found in the municipality of Pilar. Yeah. So again, I'm inviting you to visit this paraiso. In English, it's paradise. Hindi pa. Maghanap tayo ng booking. On picture at tama na. Yeah, Playa de Paraiso, Balisong. And today is Sunday. Ayan. It's so nice here. Oh my god! It's your birthday today. Oh my god. I don't have any present for you, but my greetings would be I wish you a happy birthday. I wish you the best of luck, and of course soon the right time you will find your true love, and at this moment just enjoy, and then we're going to see each other naman eh. But for now, oh my god, I know I don't know how to say, but I miss you a lot and hope to see you soon. You stay healthy there. Don't eat too much because you're getting bigger. Oh my god. I love you always, and we have a lot of chicas, no? So Langging, happy birthday, and see you soon. Can't wait to see you. I love you.